Hi, it's Jobie from LittleStar Renovations. I hope you're doing well. I'm here with my son, Gabriel, and I wanted to take a few moments to just share with you my gratitude for choosing LittleStar Renovations for your project. I know that there's lots of options out there, so the fact that you chose us, we don't take that lightly, and we're very, very grateful. And we also deeply care and hope that your experience was a good one. I want to ask one thing before you move on with your life and just get comfortable in the new surroundings that we've created, and that would be to share a Google review for us, or a HomeStars review. It helps us so much. Just your honesty, a few lines and a few minutes of your time does so much for our company and our future. So if you could do that, I don't know another way to ask. We would be forever grateful. And it also helps other clients as they're navigating the storm of trying to find a good fit for them. So thank you for giving us your business. Thank you for keeping food on my table, and my employees. We're all very grateful, and we hope to see you again for the next round. Take care. Say bye, Gabe.